Method 1. Use settings to restore default photo viewer. Open Settings. Navigate to Apps, Default App. Scroll down and click on Photo Viewer. Select Windows Photo Viewer from the list of available apps. This method will quickly set Windows Photo Viewer as the default app for viewing images like JPG, PNG, and BMP files. Method 2. Re-enable Windows Photo Viewer. Sometimes, the photo viewer might be disabled through the Windows registry. Press Windows R, type regedit, and hit Enter to open the Registry Editor. Navigate to this directory. In the right pane, right-click and select New String Value. Name the new value to match the file extension you want to open with Photo Viewer. Set the value data to photoviewer.fileAssociation (TIFF). Close the Registry Editor and restart your computer. Method 3. Restore Photo Viewer. Corrupted system files may prevent Photo Viewer from functioning correctly. You can use the DASM and SFC tools to repair your system. Type CMD in the Start menu, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. Type the following command and hit Enter. After that process finishes, run the SFC scan by typing sfc/scan now. Wait for the scan to complete and follow any instructions to fix detected issues. Thanks for watching till here. I'll see you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave comments or email us.